Tesla leases industrial space 16 miles from Fremont factory. Tesla has leased nearly 150,000 square feet of industrial space in the East Bay of Northern California. The Hathaway facility is 16 miles from the Fremont factory, making it particularly convenient. Tesla has leased about 148,500 square feet of a facility at 22,290 Hathaway Avenue in Hayward in the East Bay, the San Francisco Business Times reported. The company has leased half of the 297,000 square foot Hathaway facility. The building is owned by San Francisco Industrial Real Estate Investment Trust, Prologis Inc. Marketing materials for 22,290 Hathaway describe the facility as an industrial distribution site. It is only 16 miles from the Fremont factory, so it could become part of its day-to-day operations. It is possible that the premises will be used as a warehouse and distribution center for spare parts. However, it is still unclear exactly how Tesla intends to use this space, as no official information is available. The second half of the Hathaway facility is currently vacant. In recent months, Tesla has leased several large storage facilities across the U.S. The company needs more and more of them as its operations are constantly expanding. It is to be expected that with the launch of Giga Mexico and the start of production of a new car model there, Tesla will continue to expand the number of warehouses and spare parts distribution centers in North America. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.